What's going on, people? It's your boy Richard here, making a quick video, updating on my account. I haven't been making any videos lately, but right now I'm gonna have some technical difficulties because I bought this new monitor, and yeah, I just can't get the settings right, and the HDMI cable won't connect to my computer. So yeah. Anyway, as you can see, I'm in the trade right now. US500, which is SP 500. I love trading this. Um, and as you can see, I have 17 minutes left on this trade. Excuse me. The profit is gonna be $28 per position I have, which is you do the math and take away the basically the fees it'll be $26 per. Wait, hold up. Sorry about that. I had to answer my door. Someone was knocking. But anyway, as you can see, I'm in a trade USD 500, S&P 500, making $26 per position. Right now, I have 5 positions. So keep asking me, well, it's negative, blah 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 blah. What is I'm negative out money? No, that's how many positions you have. That's why it says position underneath of it, and it's red because I'm going against the USD 500 means I'm thinking it's going to be finished below 27.28. As you can see, let's see. See, it's quite hard because the screen's not working right. But basically, if I scroll over to the left, you can see that indicative price is 27.20. So I'm up 28, well, 8 pips on this trade. So as you can see, I'm doing pretty well. So with that said, making $26 per pip, basically, or $26 per position. I'm going to go and say, let's see. So I'll end up making $130. So as you can see, I'm only $15 off from my price. So, like, sometimes people are like, well, you should just go ahead and cancel out the trade. Well, this trade is definitely going to win. I only got 15 minutes left on it. So, that's really it. So, still do the same thing. I'm doing 2 trades a week, well, 1 to 2 trades a week because sometimes, like, well, for the group, 1 to 2 trades a week. For myself, I'll do more, maybe like 2 to 3 trades a week, because I could see the trades, I could do the trades, but most likely no one will see my signal unless they're paying attention to the app. So it's important to pay attention to the app if you want to get the signal to catch the trade. So that's paying attention to the app all day because I could catch the trade. Like I got this trade. I think I jumped in it. Right now it's 4 o'clock Eastern Standard. I jumped in this trade around 1 o'clock. So 4 hours ago, I jumped in the trade. So usually people are at work at that time, so they can't jump into trades at all, so they miss the trade. Maybe people are in different time zones, so it just all depends on the person. But I could call a trade anytime. So the normal trades I call at certain times, so that most people could catch those trades. Then you have these trades like this. I could call it, but you got to pay attention and take trade. What people wondering, can I get this trades? Can I teach them and everything else like that? The only thing that I can say about my Nadex trades is my trades are only for the people that have an active membership in my Cavera team. And Cavera is, you can look that up on the internet, or Cavera is basically a financial fitness company that I've been working with. It is network marketing. It is a monthly membership fee that you get paid to be a part of it. But basically, they deal with options trading, forex trading, and training, and crypto trading, and they have crypto mining. So they have different products that are working in financial industries that you can utilize. So not only are you can get my trades with the Nadex platform, but you can utilize the product itself. And like say, just like last month in the forex trading, they got over 400 pips. So if you were making $2 per pip, then you would have made over $800. Or if you were making $1 per pip, you'd have made over $400 using the Covera product. Now, as you know, past results doesn't equal future gains. Not everything is guaranteed, but you can make your own educated decision if you want to use the product itself or you want to use my signals. Because, like I said, I'm not like it's not guaranteed for me to win every trade either. I don't win every trade. There's no trader that wins every trade. So you have to know what you want to risk trading. So I do win a lot of my trades. I'm not gonna sit there and say just because I don't win every trade that I don't make money. I make plenty of money. Like the monitor I bought today, I bought it through. I took money out of my Nadex account, went to the store, bought this monitor. So a lot of things that I do buy, I buy using my trading money. I use it almost like an ATM. So I use it like exactly what it's supposed to be used for. The account do grow sometimes. Like I do want to compound my account, but I think I'm gonna actually compound the account a little bit later. So like right now, I'm just using it the like little odds and ends. Like my daughter, she needs a car, so I'm gonna go ahead and make some money and buy a car. But actually, I have also crypto. I bought Cardona. So in crypto world, so right now I'm trading that, and when that goes up, I'll end up buying her car with that. So I don't only just trade on Nadex platform. I trade forex also, and I just also crypto trade. As you know, like I said, even within wealth generators, they have information and knowledge that you could use to help you learn how to trade in the crypto world. And the same thing they have for the forex world. So you can actually learn how to trade, taking the trades itself, and earning while you're learning, and doing those things when it comes to trading. And then of course I do give out little tips and stuff like that in the group. We do like sometimes long as we have dialogue, we could talk about different things when it comes to trading and stuff like that. But you got to understand that because I'm working with this group, it's not centered around one person. It's centered around the group and a group helping each other. That's what it's all about. It's all about the group helping each other um, learn how to trade. Because in the very end, it comes to independent thinking. And independent thinking is when you know how to trade yourself, but you're not going to learn how to trade yourself by just doing it, working with one person or just working by yourself. Well, you actually can because I was self-taught how to trade, but it takes a long time when you're doing it by yourself. So when you're working with a group of people that have the same goal and the same vision, then it goes a lot faster. So as you know, and as you guys know, it's not all about just the trading. Like I said, it's about the group coming together. It's about the group actually growing. So people are going out, bringing more people to the table, and more people are actually making money because you can see, like I said, it's everyone took this trade. Everybody did the same amount of positions I did, or whatever. Even just they just did two positions. Like there's most people taking one and two positions. You would have took two positions. You would have made a little over $50 on the trade itself. So if you made over $50 on the trade, and say you just did that um, 6 times in a month. If you did 6 times in a month, you end up making $300 in 1 month using these trades. And then never mind what you're making with um, Covera's products. So it's just a lot of value here, and that's why I say everybody have an active membership. There's so much value here, so many ways that a person can make money. No one should have a problem paying for their membership as long as they're following the group and just know how to follow directions. Because that's all it is having an open mind and know how to follow directions. Since you're not the experts, and the experts are over in Cavera, and then there's several other people in the group that knows how to trade. We're doing things for the benefit of the group. So that means when I say do something in a certain way, it really means just do it that way, and don't try to find some other way to do it, because just do it that way because it works and it makes money. So I'll say, hey, everybody go do this. Get the US500 27, 28, average price at 28, and everybody let's do this. Okay, just go ahead and take the trade. You don't have to ask no questions about it. Just take the trades, and then after the trades were taken, and then we can sit there and discuss about um, next trades for the next day, next week, or whatever, what we're looking at and stuff like that. And because the trading is not talking about all the time, then we talk about strategies on how to introduce this to other people and bring other people in. Well, what kind of value is see? Well, the value I see is that you'll have your own product testimony, because everything we're doing, as long as you're making money, that's your testimony. That's your story that you could tell a person. And then if the person say, "Oh, I don't feel like doing that," guess what? It doesn't matter, because you're still making money with us. So that's a good thing about everything we're doing. Even if the people say no to you, you're still making money with us. Now, if you bring in 3 members into Cavera, you have a free membership. So that means you don't have to pay the membership every month. So if at the very least, try to bring in 3 members. That way you don't have to pay the membership fee. That just means more money in your pocket. So you don't have to go into your trading to pay for it. You can go and buy your computer screen like I did that doesn't want to hook up to the HDMI cable. But anyway, this has been a long video, but thanks for watching my video. And as always, let's keep making money. All right, peace.